Hey there, grade 5. The next series of videos that you're going to see is going to be about patterns. And the first one that we got up is, what is the pattern rule? So let's get started. Alright, so let's look at a pattern here. Alright, just in general, when we make a pattern, we usually want to have about 5 to kind of show a good amount of the rule. This just means it continues in the same way. Alright. So what is the pattern rule? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So something that I like to do if it's increasing, because this pattern is increasing, it's going up. So this is an increasing pattern. When I know it's an increasing pattern, I pick one of the numbers. Let's say I pick number 8. Okay, I'm just going to write that here. I'm going to subtract, take away the number on the right side, or sorry, the left side. Okay, the number that comes before it in the pattern. So the number 6 comes before it. So 8 take away 2. 8 subtract 6 is 2. So I know that's what's happening. So it's increasing by 2. All right, that's my pattern rule. Now if I look at another pattern, so I have 59, 54, 49, 44, 39. Now, this pattern is repeating, just like this one was kind of repeating as well. You'll notice 9, 4, 9, 4, 9, 4. All right. What is the pattern rule? Is it increasing or decreasing? So let's see here. 59 to 54 to 49. It's going down. So this is a decreasing pattern. All right. And because this is decreasing, I'm going to do something a little different. It's similar. I'm going to pick a number. So I'm going to pick, let's say I'm going to pick 49. I'm going to subtract again. But instead of subtracting the number that came before it to the left, I'm going to subtract the number that comes after it to the right. I'm going to subtract the 44. All right, 9 take away 4. I count up from 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That gives me 5 fingers. 4 take away 4 leaves me with 0. So I have a 5. So this pattern is decreasing by 5. All right. What is the pattern rule?